How to create a group on GroupMe app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can create a group on the GroupMe app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to create a group on the GroupMe app, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then open the GroupMe application here and then make sure that you're signed into the account. And if you want to create a group, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is just tap the editing icon that you can find from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap on this here, you'll find a little pop-up option where it'll show you the option called group, and you want to simply make sure to tap the group option here. Now you can simply give this group a name depending upon whatever you like, and you can also add a description, but the description is actually really just optional. Once you've entered those, you can make sure to set an avatar, and then after that tap the arrow icon from the top right. The next step will require you to simply add context to this group, so you can simply go ahead and then select the people who are a part of this option, and then you'll be able to simply go ahead and then add them as your contact, and then just tap the skip option. Once you've done that, you can see who can join. Of course, you can make this a public group or a private group if you want to set to approve members only. You can see visibility, whether it's visible to everyone or whether it's hidden. After that, customize group, emoji, and so on, and then just tap on next, and then your group has been successfully created. This way you can create a GroupMe group. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.